Hey guys, welcome back to Darkwater. Today I just got a couple of packages in from Awesome Hank. Now I had purchased a wallet and some hanks from him, and yeah, we just want to check it out. Man, it's like almost a travesty to break the seal on there. Now this is really cool. I didn't even see what this was. But as you look here, it's actually an octopus tentacle. Yeah. Now that is really cool. I love the attention to detail. The tentacle and the wax and the Awesome Hank little leather teardrop there. That's cool. I don't know if you just pull through. I wasn't around back in the day when they used these regularly. Maybe I can pull through it. Gotta use the Awesome Hank Andromeda to open up the package. So up first here we have the Kraken Caddy. I've never had one of these little caddies, and so I figured, heck, it's time to get one. Let's try it out. I think these are to throw your knife in, or I guess whatever else you want to add on there. You can put a multitude of things in there. I would say something like a pen would easily work. Pry bar. Yeah, that looks really good in there. That one's a... Oh, that's a huge compartment. Well, you could put a notebook. I don't know, so you'd stick in there. Cash. Yeah, this is really neat. I like the attention to detail. You have the Awesome Hank rivet, the Sageha pattern, and the logo, and then again the logo on the back. Yeah, this is cool. Well, let's open the next one and see what we got. Oh, this is a wallet. Here we go. Now, credit cards, cash. This is really neat as well. Yeah, so basically, you know, a small EDC type wallet or a travel wallet. Really neat. Well, I really, truly dig Awesome Hank gear. So the first Hank that I got from Awesome Hank was this awesome anchor one. And for obvious reasons, it's near and dear to my heart. And in that same order, I picked up antlers and arrows. But then I realized that they're not even arrows at all. They're actually, what do you call those, trekking poles. And then needing more for my daily carry videos, I picked up a couple topo pattern hanks. And I just like these colors because it actually lets the knife pop. And then the crusty sailor. I don't know if that's what it's called, but that's what I call it. The outdoor or camping pattern. And this beautiful paisley type mustard colored one. Awesome Hank carries a lot of awesome gear. That's probably why they named the company Awesome Hank. So, shameless plug, if you want to save 10% with Awesome Hank, use code DARKWATER. I'll put it on the screen and in the link down below. And you can save 10% on your order. They sell anything from now custom leather made goods to hanks and knives. They even have a custom pry bar. That's not this one, which I got to get one of Awesome Hank's. And a multitude of various other things. So definitely a one-stop shop if you're looking for great EDC gear, O-lights, Trivisa, QSP knives. And again, Awesome Hank, thank you for providing great gear, great designs, and innovating and making things on your own. Thank you all. I hope you have a wonderful day, and thanks for spending time with Darkwater.